everyone, it's Mindy Indy. Happy summer, very exciting. And I'm just going to give you an update of what I'm working on with my Airhead comic series and planning and everything. And so for this Patreon update, in the See the Present tier, I have a bunch more of pages that I just posted. You can see the shading that I did on the coloring, and it's the end of May and I am 4 pages away from my goal. So I did not reach the goal that I'd wanted to do, but that's still, only 4 pages left more to shade. It's still pretty good. And also those pages, they mainly, they don't have like too many characters in them, so that I just had way too many pages with like 10 characters each on them, and it was a little too much. But yeah, so I will hopefully finish that soon. And but really, something that I'm very excited about is I am in the planning stage for my book tour. And I have posted about that in the See the Future tier, and even a little bit in the See an Alternate Reality tier. So just different things that I'm thinking about for planning this and making spreadsheets. I like spreadsheets. I kind of geek out about it. And as I've been coloring, I've been listening to like some YouTube videos about traveling and like travel tips and like taking Amtrak across America, Greyhound across America, like things like that. So I've got the travel bug. I really have. And I think it's a great time of year to plan, just to start thinking about these things. And I realize it may not be in one long trip like I kind of have here still. I don't know if you can see it, but this is still like one long trip of sorts, but it might be like just going from like here to here, here to here, like that might be more like feasible. I'm also thinking of maybe I could do like a Kickstarter to fund this trip. And because if you can do a Kickstarter for anything, why not have it be for a tour? So yeah, these are things I'm kind of kicking around, thinking about, and you can definitely see more of my research if you are a current Patreon subscriber, or if you're not a current Patreon subscriber, you can be sure to sign up at patreon.com/MindyIndy. Thank you very much to all my patrons, and have a great summer. Thanks. Bye.